This is from a company that I buy my contacts from. I get a lot of people ask me about my contacts, where I get them from, the colors, they're so vibrant, they look really beautiful, and how to go about getting them. So this is from a small company. They're called TTDEYE, or the Third Eye, and I really love this company. The product's really good. The colors are amazing, and as you guys can tell, my original color is brown, so it is a dark brown. So it is very hard for me to find contacts to cover my dark eyes. So they do have contacts for that. I'm going to open them up and I'm going to show you. Now I did get 3 new colors that I have never tried before. I got a blue, green, and purple, and I'll go through and I'll tell you guys the names. This video is not sponsored. Something I want to share with you guys. I really love their product, and I just wanted to share it with you guys in case you guys are looking for contacts and you want to know, maybe where to get the best contacts from. They have a huge variety of contacts for you guys to go in there and try. They have cosplay. They have contacts for light eyes, dark eyes. They have contacts that last a year, 1 day, disposables. They even have little accessories and stuff that you can use for your contacts. They have solutions, and they have cases, and they have cute little things that come with them sometimes. So you guys get on there and you guys check them out. So let's open this and let's see what's in it. So this is what the box looks like, and I always love the little box. It looks really cute. And let's see. Okay, so here's the inside of the box. And first off, we have this little glitter container, and they send you different ones, and I like using these for little art projects or just whatever you kind of want to use them for. They're just really cool, like the way they sound. Then they're going to give you your containers. So here's your containers, and they do come with the little utensil to pick up your contacts, so you don't have to use your fingers. So you got your little tweezers to maybe pick them up, and then they also give you this. And you can use this to set the contact on it. So you pick it up, you put it right on the top of it, and then you stick it in your eye. And then of course they always give you a container, a very brand new container for each one of them, which I really like. Okay, so you did get 3 of those for every if you order 5, you'll get 5, 6, you'll get 6. Now this was a buy 2, get 1 free. Okay, so I have this box. This is going to be the Iris Purple. So I'm going to open the box and show you guys what they look like, but I'm only going to try 1 pair on, that way I don't ruin them. Let's see, you guys might be able to see them. I'm not sure in my lighting, but you guys might be able to see them. But those are really pretty. I'm not sure if they're as dark as my other ones. This is a new brand that I'm trying, the Iris Purple. I've never tried it, so I kind of want to see what it looks like on my eyes. It did say that it was for light and dark eyes. Then we have the Mystery Green. And I think I have had this one before, but I'm not sure if I've had it from TTDEYE. Okay, so we have the green, and I hope you guys can see it. These look really pretty. I'm hoping these are going to look really good. This is probably the pair I'm going to try on, but let's see what the blue looks like. So here's the blue, and this is a Macaron Blue. And ooh, these look pretty too. Oh, I can't decide. So here's the blue. So I really like these. These are really pretty. I think I'm gonna try the green, just because the last pair I had was a little more on the blue side. So I do think I might try the green this time. This is probably the pair that I'm gonna try on. Is gonna be the Mystery Green. And I'm going to save the other two, but I am going to show you what these look like with my regular eye and then the dark eye, if you guys are curious to see what they look like. Then they give you this, and this is like a little extra that they give you, and it has like a little mirror and stuff in it. Sometimes they give you random stuff. I really love the packaging. It's got like 3 little bears on the back, and on the front it says happy smiles. I love that. Now this is like a little hand mirror that you can use. I guess you could use it, you know, to put your contacts in, or you could use it for anything. But I do really like this. This is cute. It's good to keep like in your purse, or just, you know, emergency, like if you just need it. It's really cute. And then at the bottom there is, let's see. Now at the bottom it does give you a paper, and it does tell you the right and wrong way to put your contacts in, and then it also shows you, and it shows you, you know, the right and wrong way, like your contact should sit. It should always look like a bowl when you're holding it. So this is really good for people that don't have a lot of practice with contacts. If you're not sure, this is really good. Okay, so then they're going to give you some stickers, just in case you want some cute little stickers. Then they're going to give you a card, and on the back of it, it just says, want to win free contacts, check out these methods. Then you can get on like TTDEYE, and I'll hold it up for you guys in case you guys want to see it, or just screenshot it or something, stop the video. But yeah, they do give you that, and I always think the little boxes are as cute. So again, you got the stickers, the card, you got the information thing, you got the mirror, I got 3 things of contacts, and then they did give me the containers for the contacts, and then they gave me glitter. So I got all that, and like I said, it was a buy 2 get 1 free. I got $12 off the Iris Purple, and the other 2 was, I want to say the Mystery Green was 20, and then the Iris Blue was 23. And then I got the rest of it pretty much as extra. So that's a pretty good deal. Love it. You guys go and check them out. I'm going to go try these on right quick and let you guys see what they look like. Okay guys, so here's the green contacts. I hope you guys can see them. Hope my lighting is really good for you guys can tell. These are like really bright, especially when you're outside, you're in the sun, or like the light is like directly hitting you. You're definitely going to be able to see these. I really love them. I hope you guys can tell the difference between my original eyes and then now the green eyes. So I hope you guys can kind of tell the difference in them. But I really do like these. Again, I love the color and I love the company. I love the way that they feel. Sometimes like I barely even notice they're even in my eyes. They do prescriptions and they do non-prescription contacts, just in case you guys was wondering. But you guys go on there and you guys check them out. Again, this video was not sponsored. It was just something I wanted to share with you guys. So you guys let me know if you've tried them out, or maybe if you have, or you're going to try them out, and let me know which ones is your favorite. And I hope you guys like this short little video, and I will hope to see you guys back here in my next video. Bye!